Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix WhatsApp video quality problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section, then go to the search and search WhatsApp. Now go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn the airplane mode on and off, or turn the Bluetooth on and off. And if it didn't work again, this time you can try to clear data, but be careful. If you want to clear your data, all the files and all the messages and the chat, the databases and the settings, all of them will be deleted, so be careful if you want to clear your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.